Cake Mountain. This is a kind of Play-Doh thing with cake, of course. And if you need extra, you can get this 4-pack.
Is it extra?
Yes. So, let's get opening.
Yeah. Do that on the flowers.
Time to decorate.
Yeah, let's get started.
So, we're going to do this little teeny cake. Here's an example of how it's going to look. You can do it any way you want. You can pick any Play-Doh. We're going to be using pink. And we're going to put it in this Play-Doh plus frosting.
Yeah. Okay.
Push it down with this.
Yeah.
And decorate it. Make sure someone's there to spin it around. If there's no one there, I hope you can do it with one hand.
I hope you have a sister. But you have a sister.
You're a brother.
Yeah, is your little brother a big brother? You mean a big brother? Oh, yeah.
Try to push it more faster. That looks nice.
It's like a merengue coming.
Okay, so after you frost your whole entire cake, you can add more if you even want more. Now, as you see, there's a bunch of molds on your cake, so you can put any kind of molds you want. Now we're about to do our molds. We got all our Play-Doh out, and we're going to do all these molds on the cake. Here we got a cupcake. I think a cookie. Comment down below on what you think it is.
That's the orange.
We got a heart.
Yeah, it's funny, fun, right? That's pretty fun, right?
A gummy bear. Can't really see that gummy bear. Gummy bear, no. And my favorite one, the gingerbread man.
Ooh. Gingerbread. This is very fun toy, and it's be like, and you is your find it at Toys R Us.
I think this is a very, very good toy because every kid is creative. I like that these candles just stick on there. I like the bunch of molds, and yeah. And these cakes are awesome.
Yeah.
So remember, you're awesome, you're creative, and this Play-Doh is an all-time favorite. The only thing that I don't like about this is how to get your cake off. If you had this toy for a long time, you must be good at taking this off. Bye. I hope you like this toy. Ha! Say bye.
Bye.
Peace out, Toodle Doodles.
And